All right, with all our trainers we deal with the quick hand trainers or the Get Great glove, I'm going to use bare hands for this drill because I'm still going to utilize in the same kind of fashion. We'll put everything together. And this box drill we're about to do is a good way to imitate the shortstop to the second baseman and the second baseman to the shortstop in double plays. Our box drill looks a little bit like this. First we're going shortstop to second base, move our feet, get it going, replace the next guy, go around the box. Come on. We're shortstop's going to the second baseman here. Good. Catch the ball first, 10 fingers up. Present to your target. Here we go. Perfect. Good. Keep it going. Here we go. Finish up. Good. All right. The next part of this drill, that was shortstop going to second. We're going to be second basemen going to the shortstop, okay? So we're going to face the different direction. Square there, square to me, square to him. Good. Same thing. Here we go. Let's try to keep our arm in front of our bodies, those second basemen. Keep the arm in front of the body. Good. Don't cheat. Catch the ball first before you move. Go. Good. If you're cheating, you're hoping for a good throw. Nice counter. I saw you. Nicely done. Same way, we can cross over. I'll do a crossover on this one. Explode towards the target. Good. Nice. Nice. One of my second basemen is a counter. I like it. We're all going to try that with our thumb down. Hand up to the target. Thumb down, hand up to the target. Good. Don't lead with your hand. Lead with the ball. Good. Keep it going. All righty. Here we go. That's the box drill. Shortstop to second, second to short. It incorporates everything we do with our trainers.